Sawadee krab. Hello students. Good morning. How are you today? I am teacher Danielle and today our subject is English. So welcome back to my video lesson, and for this lesson we're going to continue the review on Unit 5. This is Lesson 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a review of all of the worksheets from week 1 to week 3. So for worksheet week 1, we have the feelings. For worksheet of week 2, we have prepositions. And for the worksheet of week 3, we have simple activities. Okay? So I'm going to go through each of the worksheet and I'm gonna explain each of the worksheet, and maybe I'm gonna give you an example for each of the worksheets, so just to make sure you don't get confused. Okay, now let's start. So for the worksheet of about feelings, you have there you need to match the following words to the pictures. Okay, so there are how many feelings is there? Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 feelings, words about feelings, and then there are also 6 pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 photos of feelings. So each of this photo and each of these words you're going to match. Like for example, surprised. Surprise. Which photo do you think here is associated with the word surprise? So you're going to match it by drawing a line from the word to the pictures. So which do you think is the right answer here? Is it this? Well, this one looks surprised, so this must be the answer. So make sure that you draw a line from the word to the pictures. Alright, so that's how you answer it. You match it by drawing a line from the word to the pictures. Okay, now you have to answer the rest of the photos and words. Okay, now on to the next. So this is the second worksheet of feelings, which is on the week 1. So this is just easy. What you're going to do is you're going to search for the word. So the word are here. This is the list of the words that you're going to find. You have to find it here. The word puzzle. So let's see. Let's see what we can find. So just an example, I'm going to show you how to find one. All right, let's see. What can we find here? Frustrated. I see frustrated. So what you're going to do is you're going to encircle the word. Encircle it. So like this, encircle. You have to encircle the word that you find. And then, that's it, frustrated. You have frustrated already. So you're going to find the rest of the words here. Okay? Alright. So there are more words for you to find here. Okay? So that is your homework. Now let's move on to worksheet of week 2, which is all about the preposition. So what you're going to do is you're going to rewrite each of the sentences below by adding a prepositional phrase from the list. So these are the prepositional phrases. And then this is the sentence that you have to rewrite. So you have to rewrite it here. So this is already, I have also given you an example on number 1. So the dog sat So you have to find the correct preposition on these phrases. So on this particular phrases, I have added under the table. So under the table came from the prepositional phrases here. Under the table, right? So the dog here, the dog sat, and then I rewrite it and then added under the table. And then the new sentence now is the dog sat under the table. The dog sat under the table. So you have to answer 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is your homework. Okay? Now let's move on to the next. So this is the next worksheet from week 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to match the pictures to help you fill in the crosswords puzzle. So this is the puzzle. So you're going to use these pictures here to guide you in answering each of the puzzle. So either it is across or down. So let's start with this one, across. So this is a photo of a bird, and then there is an arrow pointing down. So maybe that is the answer. So this number one, right? So number one. So down must be the answer since there is an arrow pointing down. So what you're going to do is you're going to write, let's say our answer is down. So we have to answer down here. I'm gonna okay. So I have answered down. Oh, so DOWN. So it came from here, down, right? Okay. What about number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? So you have to find it out. You have to fill all of the words here, either across or down. So that is your homework for week 2. Now for week number 3, the worksheet is this. So what you're going to do is you're going to label the pictures. You have to use the word bank to label them. So the word bank is here. So there are different phrases here all about activities. So let's see. What do you think is the answer here? What did you do? So as you can see in the photo, they are using the computer. They must be, let's see, they must be downloading pictures from the internet, right? So this must be the answer. So you have to write on the space provided since on the instruction it says start your sentence with I. So let's start it with I, and then you have to add your answer. I downloaded pictures, and then you have to add it here on the space provided. Okay, so you have to answer other items also, this one, this one, this one, and this one. So that is your homework. Okay, right. So I have also given you an worksheet for this is actually on unit 6 already. So the worksheet is all about family. So I'm just gonna briefly discuss what is the worksheet is all about. So this is the worksheet. So the instruction is you have to circle the pictures of the correct answer based on the family tree. So this is the family tree, right? So he says the question is who is who is my mom? So you have to write. What you're going to do is you're going to um, let's see where can I find the shapes? Okay, you're going to circle. You're going to circle. Okay, no fail. So you're going to circle the correct answer. Is this the mom of this person? So this guy is right here, right? So who do you think is her mom? Of course, this is her mom because this is his dad. So the answer is this. So you have to encircle it. Okay? And you have to answer the rest of the question. Who is my younger sister? Who is my grandpa? And who is my uncle? Okay? So just a quick guide of the family. These are the grandma and grandpa. Grandma and grandpa. This is the mom and this is the dad. Mom and dad. Aunt and uncle. Aunt and uncle. Cousins. So these are your cousins. Cousin, cousin. And younger sister, younger sister. Okay? Alright, so that is the end of lesson 4. I hope you learned something for today. So for now, goodbye and have a great day. Bye bye.